Design 1C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking another Abus TITALIUM padlock. It's a 64 Ti40, given to me by my fantastic friend Rob Rizzler out there on YouTube, so thank you so much, buddy. I do not have one of these on my display. I love collecting Abus TITALIUMs. I've got a 54 Ti40, so they're great next to each other. It does have a working key, and that's the bitting on the key, so I hope you can see that. Key working, drawn out a tad so it's locked up. I work back to front with this one. You've got to then nip back over sort of pins front to back every now and again. One does stick, so you've got to adjust the tension just a tad. So to the back, tension on. There you go. Picked open. So that's the Abus 64 Ti40 single pin picked. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. On another note, this video is also for a great friend and colleague at work, Graham. Loves watching my videos, and on Friday when we were at work, loved the fact I do that with my fingers, or should I say my thumbs. So thanks for watching, buddy, and everybody else, thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.